relationship issues, what is the basic cause of conflict of man and a woman?
See, while handling relationship issues, I feel that the most important things which people overlook, that is ego, and they feel that I am right and the other person is wrong. Similarly, the other person feels that I am right and she's or he is wrong.
Is there any difference between how we think? As a male, I'll think differently. As a female, you'll think differently.
Exactly. Yeah. See, we are differently designed. That has to be understood. I'm a woman, right? So I'm designed to nurture, and my endurance, few attributes are there. My endurance, aesthetic part, then perseverance, patience. I feel we are designed in such a way that these are the inherent qualities of
I'll
a
agree to that. Patience is what, as a person, maybe I don't know about other men, but I lack that patience. I lacked that patience. And I've always found that patience to be a quality of a feminine energy. I agree to that.
Exactly, feminine energy. Why? Because to nurture a baby, you need all this quality. Endurance, to endure the pain, right?
True.
Perseverance, then the consistency, correct?
True.
Patience to nurture a baby. So, Creator created us actually in a way, because we are women, being women, we are the creator. We are creating. Our womb is a kind of place of
Absolutely,
creation.
yes. Yes.
Without all this, we cannot, hold the baby in our womb, or we cannot. By discarding this feminine energy, we cannot live life. So, apart from this, we need to understand how we think without getting in the debate of equality. Equality doesn't come outside; it is within, right?
Absolutely.
It is
Absolutely.
here.
Absolutely.
Correct. So, Tanmay, I feel that as a man, what you feel that can, that is damaging the relationship. I have handled, I'm aware of so many things.
I
Personally,
feel as a man,
what do you
the roles which were told to me is damaging for a relationship. The roles which was designed or which humans designed for a gender, that design is not conducive for a relationship to grow.
Correct.
Roles like a man is a provider and a woman is stays at home. That role or whatever a man says has to be accepted. That role, which I have seen it when I was a child, but that's a human created design. That's not the how universe has created us. There's a difference between us, I agree, but that difference doesn't make it to be a gap between us. That difference can be complementary
Exactly.
rather than
Exactly.
opposites. It's not the opposites, it's complementary. And that is how I guess nature balances it.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yes, yes.
I feel the same because we are complementing each other.
Absolutely.
We women are emotionally very strong, and men are, kind of physically strong. So
Yes.
we complement each
Absolutely.
complement each
Absolutely,
other.
absolutely.
Rather than competing each other, we should complement.
China, what I have realized over a period of time is men tend to put a facade on themselves on their emotions, and they feel that they are very strong.
Correct.
If you don't cry, you're very strong. No, I think the crying is the sign of strength rather than weakness.
Exactly. Exactly.
I've always seen men who cry are very genuinely flowing people.
True.
Acceptance of them, of the other, is very high.
True. So, I have seen, especially in India, people don't discuss or don't talk. There is a major communication gap, between husband and wife. They don't talk about their emotions. They don't talk about the gap. They don't talk about any topic or any, resistance between them because they are scared of, that judgment.
Okay.
So we have to bring that kind of clarity in a relationship, that don't judge or don't use all this. If your husband comes to you and shares something, don't use it against him in near future.
Yes,
and
that is
biggest
our, at least my greatest fear of sharing, because it might be used against me 6
Me.
months later.
Exactly.
That day you had told me this, because we forget the context on which we talk.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
that is my greatest fear. That's why I
While
don't.
handling all this relationship, I have realized women, they bottle up, right? And men, they forget the context and they say, when did I say this? And women, they don't forget.
They don't forget.
They
Yeah,
don't forget.
that's the
That
biggest challenge.
They
Yeah.
bottle up. So my, experience says, whatever happens between husband and wife, they should let go. They should able to let go all this, or else what will happen in relationship? A permanent energy filled will create. That is based on bitterness, anger.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
And it will go on.
So what do you think is the formula which they catch it and they say, okay, we have resolved our differences? What is
See,
the magic formula?
Yes, I feel that it is a world of duality. Problem will come. Don't expect us very, perfect. Don't try to make it perfect. Everyone try to make it perfect.
That is the
My
most
husband-
beautiful part. Don't
Right.
try to create a perfect relationship. There's
Correct.
nothing a perfect. Don't get swayed by Bollywood movies. There's nothing
Exactly.
like a relation.
Exactly.
There's nothing like a relationship which is always perfect.
Perfect.
So you mean to say a fight can be out of love?
Yes, it can be. Why not? Even I fight with my sister, I fight with my brother, I fight with my mother. Why not with husband? Why not with wife?
Okay.
So why we create such a big mess out of it that husband wife can fight? But the most beautiful part is not to carry it,
Not to
not
carry
to
it.
carry
Okay.
it,
Okay.
not to bottle it up. Talk about it. The beautiful thing is we should discuss, we should talk, we should not judge.
Okay.
Can we be transparent to each other and without using our weakness against each other?
Okay.
And
Okay.
that is the most beautiful, most beautiful journey starts.
Do you feel that men are very focused on a calculation, like we use our head more,
Yes.
and a woman is more emotional? That's
See,
the
I feel emotion, mind, everything is same.
absolutely. Yeah.
Right? It is.
When I said mind, I meant we calculate things out of what is the profit out of it. If I tell her, what will be the profit?
See,
Is it that men?
men are scared of, right? They are scared of emotions because since childhood they are being taught that emotions are sign of weakness.
Okay,
Right?
I'll agree to
so
that.
they run away, from all kind of confrontation. They try to avoid such kind of confrontation. They don't want to handle emotions. I have seen every relationship, it is the same, the complaint is same, that whenever I talk about my emotion, he runs away. So, we need to understand that women, yes, for women, being vulnerable is not bad. And man has to understand that if a woman is vulnerable, that doesn't mean he is a threat. She is a
Absolutely.
threat,
She is a-
right? And we need to understand her emotions. And yes, for women, they should not carry baggage. Being vulnerable is not bad, but carrying the baggage is dangerous, and that is the threat to a man.
Okay, that would be an interesting perspective. That's a very interesting perspective. Just acceptance of each other as they are. But China, do you feel there's a tipping point for every relationship? All relationships can be salvaged, or there are certain which can.
Yes, while dealing with such cases, relationship cases, I have seen that yes, people take time to get ready to come out of the relationship because it is beyond repair. I feel if it is beyond repair, it is better to move on. And I always say, please give it a chance. After that, if it is not getting repaired, please come out of this relationship. And after coming out, don't jump into another relationship.
That's the most beautiful
Yes.
part. Don't jump into relationships for the sake of it.
Correct.
That will give you a lot of time to heal yourself before you come to a.
Correct.
I want to ask a very personal. It is not a personal question, but I think a generic question from all males to a female.
Hmm.
When we say as a male, women are too complex,
Hmm.
because we absolutely are unable to decode. Personally, experientially, I have this question comes: is it the complexity, or men don't want to face certain emotions?
See, yes, I won't say that it is completely, that complexity. It is the lack of awareness.
Okay.
Women are, emotionally vulnerable. Yes, yes. They need someone who can understand them. Right? If you give some room to that, her emotions, it will be easy for a woman to surrender.
So you mean to say, as a male, if my listening skills improve without
Yeah.
any judgment,
Without any judgment.
okay,
That can be solved. At the same time, as I said, that women should not bottle up emotions. They need to understand there is a tipping point also, and it is our body, our emotions, our and it is our responsibility to take care of that, not to bother someone. Because if I am unable to handle my emotions, I am going to radiate it in my surrounding.
absolutely.
So it is our responsibility, in order to keep ourselves at peace and in order to keep the environment we are staying in to be at peace.
Absolutely, I agree.
So women should not carry, as we have discussed about vulnerability and carrying the baggage. So be vulnerable, nothing wrong in it. But carrying baggage is dangerous and it can be a threat.
Being vulnerable is okay. Don't carry the baggage.
Baggage.
Yes. Every time it would be a fresh thing. Start afresh.
Correct. Don't carry.
What is the biggest, according to you, what is the biggest complaint a man has against a partner, his partner?
Yes, most of the time I heard that she doesn't understand me.
Okay. Okay.
And a woman says the same thing, that he doesn't understand me.
Okay.
So, what is the difficult part? Women try to understand a man from her viewpoint, the way she thinks. A man does the same thing. He tries to understand a woman from, his thought process, his wavelength.
Okay.
So,
okay.
it is very difficult. It is very difficult.
It is.
You won't be. There is no end to it.
And there's no formula for it.
Formula for
People
it.
start looking for formulas. There's no formula
No,
for a
as such,
relationship.
no
Two people
benchmark.
together will create one formula or 10 formulas, but that would be your formula.
Exactly.
That's-
and
that's
there
the-
is no as such benchmark.
There's no benchmark. That's the
Benchmark.
truth. There's
And
no-
it is so funny that people try to Google how to improve relationship.
Oh my God. Okay.
There is no as such
Okay,
formula. I
okay.
find it. Even I know so many women. They come to me and they say, "I googled it, how to raise children." Oh my
Oh my
that's
God,
fantastic.
that's funny. That's funny. Achha, Jana, have you found any correlation between a love marriage and an arranged marriage?
No.
Communication gap. It's the same.
It is the same. It is the same.
It's the same.
Yes, yes. Love marriage, arranged marriage, just jargons. That's it.
Just jargon.
After staying
Marriage is
under
the same. Either it is
Yes,
love or arranged.
It is love
Oh.
or arranged. It is the two person who makes it, work. Right?
Okay.
So you need to understand. Two person need to understand that they can make the marriage beautiful. They can make the marriage worse.
Okay.
So two person in that institution, it is important.
Do we as humans stop watering the plants or watering the relationship after marriage? Do we do that? And that is one of the reasons why it gets.
Yes, we need some time to understand each other, and you cannot, because it is very difficult to understand the other person unless you understand yourself. It is very
Okay,
important.
okay,
So understand yourself first. What is your need? What is your expectation from this marriage? Are they realistic, or you are just stretching that women should understand that women or men should understand that there is no as such formula to understand each other. First, you need to understand yourself.
Absolutely.
What are your needs? What are your expectations? And
Absolutely.
don't keep it so complicated. Talk about it. Discuss. Don't argue. Give each other judgment-free environment so that you can grow in each other's presence.
Beautiful, beautiful. I think that's not a complex thing to do. The day we stop doing things for each other, that day the beginning has begun. The beginning has started of a relationship gap. Keep doing small things for each other, and I feel that's the small formula, if that is a formula. Keep
Correct.
doing things for them. It is a beautiful discussion, China. Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
for any more information, get in touch with us. The link is below.
Thank you so much.